Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I'm Mohammed Chukobelago and we are still on Bitsgap. And part of the reason why you see me promoting Bitsgap is because I know a lot of you out there are looking for ways to make money through cryptocurrency. Okay, and one of the ways to consistently make money in cryptocurrency is through trading. But most of us don't have the trading knowledge, or most of us don't even have the time, okay, to perform trades. Okay, and that is why you see me promoting this platform, because each trading bot, okay, gives you profit that normally on your own you cannot give yourself. Okay, so before I go into details on how or summarize how the trading bot works, let me just show you guys some of the results I have for my demo trading. Then I also show you my live trading that I started last night. Okay, so this is demo trading. The demo trading has about $198,000 in the account in different exchanges. Okay, you can see all the exchanges. Okay, but I'm not, like, how do I put it this way, I'm not invested in all the assets. So what I do is I choose the assets that seem to be performing very well within a 3-day period. Okay, within the last 3 days. So these are the ones that are actively trading. You can see them. I just started this one like 15 minutes ago. This one is more than 1 day, 1 day and 15 hours, and I already have about 10.91 profit. Okay, with an investment. I don't know how much this is. If I check, let me just check how much this is right away. Okay, this is 0.367287 USD. Okay, sorry, BTC to USD. All right. So this is about $6,000 investment. This one should be about $4,000. This should be about more than $6,000 or $7,000. Yeah, $6,000 investment plus. Okay, but just now this is demo account, so the funds are already there for you to experiment. Okay, but when you are investing, you have to start little, which is what I started with in my live trading account. But so far, like, these assets, I've made profit in this demo trading like $696. $305, $20.45, $139. This is $620. Okay, this one is $29. This one is $469. I think this one is the highest, $3,000 plus. Okay, $3,000 plus on investing about $4,000 plus. So that shows you that it's almost 100% profit. As you can see, it's 72% profit. Okay, then this is 300. This is so you can see that not all the assets are performing the same. Okay, but regardless of what's happening in the market, they are doing well. Let's look at the history, the transactions that have already closed. Okay, either due to stop loss or maybe I closed it voluntarily. Okay, so this is already in the profit of $293, apart from the capital invested. All this you see here are all in profit, except for this one was not in profit, but the loss is very little. It's just minus $0.5, so that's nothing. Okay, this one is break even, $0 USD, so no loss. Okay, but all this is profit: $103, $61, $13, $55, $2.62. Then this should be about give or take maybe about 200 something dollars or thereabout. Okay, so let me also show you my live account. Let's go to the live account. Okay, in my live account, I activated my Binance account. So my Binance account is connected to this bot. Okay, so I'm currently trading 2 trading pair. Okay, so I'm just patiently watching it. All right, so let me just show you guys how they are doing. Remember, I just started them yesterday. I started with little amount, but I'm currently in profit, though the profit is not much, given the fact that I used I think this should be about $40 or thereabout. This should be about $40 to $50 is what I used, given the fact that my balance, like, I started with 9.85 plus $7 should give you about $96, as you can see here. So $96.86, this is what I have in my Binance account. Okay, but I'm already what I have here in trading as an investment is about 50 to 40 spread between the two of them, and I'm currently having about 0.11 USD and 0.18 US dollars, okay, as profit. So, but how does this bot make money for me? Okay, how does the bot make money for me? Well, it's very simple. The bot makes money for me by simply buying low and selling high. That's all. Okay, buying low and selling high. So let's say I purchase, like when I purchased this asset, this GNT, when I invested in this GNT BTC trading pair. Okay, the first transaction was the purchase of, I think that was GNT. Okay, so you can see it was more like buy. It was in a loss position because the market was going down from 752, 735, 719, 703. So what the bot is doing is creating open orders. So it was just busy buying up this asset as the price was dropping. Then all of a sudden, as we bought 687, 672, it went back up to 688. We sold, took in the profit, bought at 672 again. Okay, then it went up again, we sold again. So we see the open orders that are waiting to execute. Okay, these are the open orders that are waiting to execute based on how the market is playing out. Already I set my take profit at 50%. I have my stop loss. That stop loss is more like how much loss I'm willing to take. Then it costs the whole transaction so that I move on to something else. Okay, but so far it's not doing bad. Same thing with Poly BTC. Okay, Poly BTC started out, bought 40 Poly. Okay, the price dropped again, we bought another 40. Price went up, we sold at 377. We sold another one again that we bought at 379. We sold this one at 383. As I get what I'm saying. Then we bought back at 377. Sold again at 383. Bought at 377. Bought at 371. Sold at 371 at 377. Bought at 3771 again. Sold at. So you find out that what the bot is basically doing for you is that is buying and selling at buying low price, selling high price. Now you yourself cannot do this. Okay, you yourself cannot put in these orders by yourself alone because the bot is constantly monitoring the market. Okay, and certain place. So you can see here. Let me just expand this. Okay, all this you see here are just the orders. Okay, these orders that I show you. Okay, these are where the bot set these orders. So this grid, these lines you're seeing here is just to monitor price level so that the bot can be able to act when the price falls within that level. Okay, then you have my stop loss well below the last line of buy order. Okay, so you find out that I won't make much loss even if I decide to cut the trade. But the most important thing is that I'm already in profit. So the bot is really doing its work. So let's go back to the demo account. So let me just show you one or two things so that you understand it better. Okay. So depending on the assets, some assets perform more than the other. But the most important thing is that how much you invested determines how much you are going to make. That's the point. Okay, because if I had used $100 on Poly BTC trading pair, I would have made more profit than what I'm making now. But I'm currently using half of that or about 40% of that to trade. So let's look at this LTO. You find out that this LTO USD Theta has executed about 4,591 completed sell order, and it's still executing. That's the beautiful thing about it. It's still executing because the asset is doing well. Okay, so but you just have to know what's your criteria for picking up an asset, and most times you just have to allow the process to run its course. Okay, when you're certain that it's no longer profitable, you can decide to cut. But I will do a video on how to break even close, or even stop loss close, or even canceling all the orders. Okay, so you can see this one, 1,925 orders completed. So that's how this bot works. Okay, for more videos, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.